Networking like a pro, insider secrets for success in any industry. Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we will be discussing the art of networking and building professional relationships. Whether you're just joining the workforce, starting your own business, or looking to advance in your career, networking is essential to building a strong professional foundation. Now let's dive into some tips and tricks to build meaningful and lasting connections in your professional life. Tip 1. Identify your goals and target audience. It's important to identify what your goals are and who your target audience is before attending any networking events. Would you like to meet potential employers, build your client base, or collaborate with people in your industry? Knowing this information will allow you to focus on the individuals that are most likely to help you achieve your goals. Tip 2. Prepare. Make sure to prepare yourself in advance by researching the individuals you want to meet, practicing your elevator pitch, and bringing business cards to hand out. Don't forget to dress professionally and arrive early to familiarize yourself with the venue and event program. Tip 3. Start a conversation. Starting a conversation can be the hardest part of networking. However, it's important to remember that everyone is there to meet others and make connections. Start by introducing yourself and asking open-ended questions such as, "What do you do for work?" and "What brought you to this event?" This will create a foundation for a meaningful conversation and allow you to learn more about the other person. Tip 5. Give and receive. Networking is about building mutually beneficial relationships. Be willing to offer assistance or advice to others with no expectation of anything in return. In return, others may be more willing to help you in the future. Thanks for joining us today. We hope these tips will help you build meaningful and lasting connections in your professional life. Remember, networking is a continuous process and requires effort. So keep attending events, make connections, and continue to build on the relationships you create. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos on professional development and career growth. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.